Hi, in this quick video, I will show you how to cancel your OneDrive subscription in just a few steps. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. First, go to account.microsoft.com. Then click enter and sign in with the Microsoft account linked to your OneDrive subscription. Step 2. Navigate to Services and Subscriptions. Once logged in, click on the Services and Subscription tab at the top of the page. This will show you all the services you are subscribed to, including OneDrive. Then click here. Now click Buy Storage. I have no subscription here. Step 3. Cancel the subscription. Find your OneDrive subscription in the list and next to it, click on Manage. Then select Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Step 4. Confirm cancellation. After confirming, you will see a message indicating when your OneDrive subscription will officially end. You will still have access until the end of your billing period. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your OneDrive subscription. Thanks for watching.